How to enable PowerPoint's teleprompter feature. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open PowerPoint. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. On top right, you'll find record. Click on record and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on views on bottom right and you'll find teleprompter. Make sure it's enabled. And then beside your mute button, you'll find an option for teleprompter. From here, you can shift to speed up or simply slow down. After that, you're good to go. This is how to enable PowerPoint's teleprompter features. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.